Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how I made these simple Valentine's Day garlands using materials from Dollar Tree. I spread out all of my materials for the DIYs on my table, but I was so excited when I found this raffia at Dollar Tree. You'll have to let me know if you've ever seen this at Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some twine or jute cord. You're going to need 2 packages of the little grapevine hearts, and you're going to need 2 packages of the wooden hearts, and we just spray painted ours. The first garland is super easy and quick to make. First you're going to measure across, find out the length that you want to make your garland, and then you're just going to tie a knot in one end, and then I'm just taking some of the little grapevine hearts and taking some jute cord and tying it on to the twine. I used a total of 8 hearts on this garland. Super easy. I just spaced them out and just tied them on. Now instead of making a knot, you could tie a cute little bow if you wanted to. You could paint the hearts if you wanted to, or add some beads, but I kept this one simple because I knew I was going to make another one. I am planning on making a 3rd garland, and my 3rd one's going to be the shortest one, and I'm trying to find some letters in felt that say I love you, and then I'll make it and hang it just above this grapevine heart one. For the 2nd garland, we just spray painted the little wooden hearts, and then I'm just taking the raffia, just hot glued it onto the back, and now I am just wrapping the little wooden heart. So if you don't want to spray paint them or paint them, you don't have to. You could just use them the wood color and wrap them with whatever color raffia that you would like. When I got them wrapped like I wanted to, I just hot glued it to the back, the end of it, and then you could, after you get them hot glued onto your twine, you could cover the back with some felt if you wanted to, so that it looks nice and clean on the back too. But this is the way they look, and I wrapped 7 hearts. They turned out really cute, so you could just leave them sitting around to display them, or maybe add them to a wreath if you don't want to use them on a garland. But we just took some twine, measured it out, made a loop on one end, and I'm just taking some wooden beads, just doing a pattern of 3. I'm hot gluing them in place so that they do not move on the twine. After I had my 3 beads in place, I just moved over probably about 1.5 inches, and I flipped my heart over to the back, added a dot of hot glue to the top on the left and the right side, and then I just placed my twine in the hot glue, and then you'll want to let it sit and have time to dry. If you have some extra ribbon, you might want to put it over the hot glue. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. So I just did a pattern with mine. I did 3 of the wooden beads, and then a heart, 3 beads, then a heart. If you're wondering what that little piece of paper is on the back of each heart, whenever I hot glued the end, I just put a piece of paper over the hot glue. I like to do that so that I don't have to worry about it sticking to anything or me getting burned. Don't forget, if you want the hearts to look more finished, cover the back with felt after you have them glued on to the twine. And this is how my 2 garlands look. So cute and so simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe.